Hello, this is King of Review, and we're going to be using the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So let's start off by making this equation a little bit nicer. Because we don't want this 4, so we want to move it over, meaning we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. 6 minus 4, which is 2. So now we know our a, b, and c values. Our a value is -2, b is 5, and c is 2. And the quadratic formula said -b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Alright, so -b, so that's -5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 times -2 times 2 over 2 times -2. So that's -5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared, which is 25, -4 times -2, which is 8, times 2, which is 16, so plus 16, over -4. So that equals -5 plus or minus square root of 41 over -4. Now, therefore, this is our answer, and option B is our answer. Well, let's look at our other values. Well, we talked about if you have a simple answer like this, you can just plug it into this equation and check your answers. If you plug in 2 and -2, you figure out that, oh, this can't be equal to 4, and you immediately know this is wrong. You can say the same thing about C, but not only that, but how many answers do we have here? We have +1/2, -1/2, and -2. That's 3 answers. You are not going to have 3 answers when you have the quadratic formula or quadratic equation. What about option D? It says 1/2 and -2. So this is fairly easy to plug in too. So we can just plug in the -2 into this equation. If we simply just calculate it, -2 squared, that's going to be 4 times -2, so that's going to be -8. And -2 times 5, so that's going to be -10 plus 6. So that's going to be -18 plus 6, so that's going to be -12, right? That's not equal to 4. So you know that this is wrong. And that's why the answer to this question is going to be B.